Okay guys, good morning. In this video guys, today you're going to learn how you can start making money online with automated sport betting. No more tickets caught. No more my ticket don't cut. Sure bet. Okay, it's early morning. See your homeboy six figures. I wake up this morning and I feel I should just make this quick video. All right, so let me just go into my phone. I'm going to show you what I meant. So if you're a football fan, you like sport betting, this is a good news for you. So let's dive in. Okay, guys, welcome back to my phone. So if this is your first time, you're welcome to the Six Figures Online Academy YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, click the like button so that subsequently, if I drop about opportunities on how you can make money online, you'll be among the first to be notified. Okay, so let's just dive into this video because I tend to make it short. Now if you look at my screen down there, you can look at the icons that you can see what I have down. You can see this 80 86W. Okay, so this 86 sport. All right, so I want to click one of these my account and you can see. Let me come here. Now look at what I have. See, I have over 63,744 naira. Now I can tell you, since I've been betting here, I have not been losing. So first of all, this is a betting site, just like Bet Niger, Showbet, King Bet, a lot of those betting site. But you agree with me that AI technology is taking over a lot of things. We have AI robot that's trading forex. We have AI robot that is trading cryptocurrency, and this is another version of AI where you allow the robot trade for you. And this opportunity, guys, you look, your phone is guaranteed. Anytime you lose a trade, they are going to refund you your money, right? So it's guaranteed as long as you keep taking the trade they ask you to take. Now, already we have taken trade for today. Let's see the trading. Actually, this is the trading we have taken for today. You can see this is Celta Vigo versus uh is it Maloka? Pardon me, I'm not actually a football fan, yeah, but just for the money's sake, right? So you can see. So let's go back. Let's go back. So let's come here. Let me just show you. Um, okay, so now I'll come to my affiliate report and I'll show you. Look at what I have earned. My promotion reward is 7,000. Look at the 7,000 here. 7,000. So I've made 7,000 naira with this opportunity. 7,000. Look, in every business, guys, in every business need people. Okay, every business need people. And let me show you. So let's go. Total bet is loading. Hold on. So you can see total bets. I've bet a total of 144, right? 1, 2, 3, yes, 144,786 naira. That's my total bet. You can see my level 1 members. I have actually shared this opportunity with people. I have a lot of bet. Look, remember, this channel is all about way to make money. Okay, how you can make money, and you can see what I have here. Level 2, you can see these are people trading. Sorry, these are people actually betting. Okay, and the good thing is actually people bet here also make money. Okay, but the good thing is that since I've started betting, like I've started placing bets here. I have not lose any trade. Okay, so that's just it. So if you're actually looking for a way to make money, you can also start out here. Okay, you can start out here with as little as 3,500. This is what I started with, as little as 3,500. Let me check my team record. So you can see my team record. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people. I have total number of 11 team players. So of course there are a lot of people out there that you can share this business with. So you can see it is very, very simple. It's very simple. Copy and paste. Let me show what I mean by copying and paste. We have a WhatsApp group. Where is it? Look at it. Okay, 46 football. Now in this WhatsApp group, they usually give us they give us what they call it. They give us trading signal. Okay, for we're waiting for. You can see everybody is sending a screenshot here. You know why we're sending screenshot here? Peradventure, this particular signal they gave us was a bad signal. If we lose the money, you can actually use your screenshot and tell them, look, you have lost your money here, so they can actually give you back your money. So you can see it, and you can see, look at this guy. Just look at this total transaction amount. This is 2 million naira. People, man, it's crazy. 2 million naira, and every day this guy should make it 24,000 naira. You can see people's account. So, but I'm telling you, you can start this account with just as little as 3,500. And the beauty about this business, if you're able to compound it for the next from now to 6 months, and find this business with 3,500, if you should compound the money without withdrawal to the end of the year, you're looking at making nothing less than 1 million naira. In the next video, I'm going to make a detailed review about this. Look at this guy have 10,000 naira, this guy 15,000, 16,000, 15,000, 18,000. So look at this guy, 3 million. Oh my guy. So I'm showing you this is the group. So I'm talking about 3,500, and that's what I started with, 3,500. So this is one of the accounts. Okay, as I said, is one of the accounts. As I've showed you, one of the accounts. Okay. So I'll go and log into one of my other accounts. Okay. Let me check my personal center is loading. So as I see, you can see I have unsettled amount of 63,000 naira. Now this 63,000 naira is in betting already. Is betting already. All right. So basically that is it. So if you're interested, with just 3,500, I can actually put you through how you can bet. Well, in fact, this is the real short bet. Short bet. Your funds are guaranteed. All right. I can show you as the community, and you can actually start making money. So from this trading, the trading should be at least should be making profit of 3%, at least 3% in every trade. Spot bet signal they sent to us. You get it, right? So if you're interested, there's going to be a link subscription below, and definitely I'm going to put it through. But let me also log into another account. Okay, so this is another account. You can see here, you can see this is another account. Okay, and this account you can see is 7,000 naira. All right, so this account actually I just started with 3,500 naira. You can see what I have here. I have 7,000 naira already. Now I can withdraw this money, no question asked. Okay, through USDT. Now, let's come here. Let's see affiliate here. Funny enough, in this account, let's see, I have zero promotion reward. The other account I made 7,000 naira. And let's see. Okay, let me see my team. I only have, okay, see the number of team members I have. I have a total team members of 10. It's more than 10. Okay, just 10 here. Okay, so guys, that is it. Okay, also my wife, I also did for my wife. She's also, picking these bets. All right. So guys, that is it. If you're interested, I can put you through. All right, so you can see making simple cool money with 3,500. If you want to do 10,000 naira, fine. 3% of 10,000. If you want to do, I've showed you people putting over 3 million naira, because it is so far so good. All right, so this for educational purpose and it's working. I feel I should just share with it. Have it in mind that every business has its own risks. All right, you have your own risks. So the whole idea is we should all take risks that we know that we can actually handle. Right, so you can start with 3,500. 10,000 is up to you. But if you're interested, guys, there's going to be a link in the description below. Drop your question, ask your question, click the link, and I will guide you. All right, I'm willingly ready to help you, show you how you can start this automated sport betting that guarantee you not to lose your money. All right, so I'm looking forward to work with you. I'm looking forward to help you. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comment. Thank you very much. It's still your homeboy Six Figures. I look forward to seeing the next video. Bye bye.